Which country is famous for sushi? A. China, B. Japan, C. Thailand. Tom yam soup is a signature dish of which country? A. Malaysia, B. Thailand, C. Swaziland. Pav Bhaji is a popular street food in which country? A. Pakistan, B. India, C. Nepal. Croissant originates from which country? A. France, B. Germany, C. Belgium. Taco is a traditional dish from which country? A. Brazil, B. Mexico, C. Argentina. Peking duck is a famous food from which country? A. China, B. South Korea, C. Japan. Pasta is a traditional associated with which country? A. Greece, B. Italy, C. France.